Hey, we are back to the kitchen side, and you can see the polish. You can see the joint. This has been done by hand grinding. You can see the edge polish of the sink, around the sink, the shelf for the bottles, water bottles. They have even polished the edges of the window. Alright. Can you see the difference? And even this piece, which you had seen raw, if you remember, those who are following the series, they will realize how rough it was and how it is right now. So you can see the top edge also. Can you see? Okay. So this is how important it is. So this is going to get hidden from here onwards, behind the towel unit. That's why you can see this unfinished. Okay, I'll show you. Since this piece is here, this is the framework which is normally used for making false ceiling or dummy beam, or the framework inside is this galvanized iron GI framework. Okay, guys, friends, that's all for today. Hope to see you soon. That wall which we had closed, it's almost dry. Only this patch, if you note, is slightly wet. The rest, I think, it's almost dry, yes. So maybe in a couple of days we should be able to start the painting work. Okay. Okay, friends, bye-bye. See you very soon. Thank you so much from MCSIDT channel. Thank you.